Phoenix Biomass Conversion is the latest development in our Brewnomic concept. You know, we have Brewnomic as a solution for breweries to become self-sufficient in terms of energy supply and CO2 neutral. So the idea is that the brewery is converting its own brewing residuals, mainly the spent grains, the yeast, the malt dust and the wastewater, into biogas, and this gas is used to operate a co-generator to make electricity and heat. But it's figured out that this investment into a biogas plant for spent grains is very huge, and the costs for energy have been low, so there was no business case in this situation. And we have been asking ourselves, what is the reason why this plant has to be so huge? It figured out that the protein content of the spent grains and the yeast is a problem for biogas plants. And this is a winning situation for the breweries, because when they extract this protein, they can sell it to other industries which need this as a raw material for milk and meat substitutes. And so they can finance the investment into a biogas plant, which is now the key to the success to become self-sufficient and CO2 neutral.